Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do a filter video transition on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video and then go to filters here and select the filter that you want to add. I'm just going to try to find like a retro filter to suit the colors of the video, I guess. So might take some time to like find one. Maybe like let's go with the film one or this one, and I'm just going to add it in the video. Oops, sorry. Then once I'm done, I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to select the I'm going to make it like a smoother transition. So I'm going to add in a keyframe here and I'm going to put it at 0%, like the opacity, and like kind of in the middle I want to put the opacity up to 100 so it gradually goes to that filter. If you don't want it to go too fast, just adjust the keyframe and put it closer to each other like so. And the results are like this, like your video will end up looking like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.